Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 10-inch round faux cement look 10,000 BTU propane tank inside portable tabletop fire pit. Let's start to introduce product related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞. Offer your backyard or patio space a lovely focal point of conversation. Round faux wood looks 10,000 BTU propane tank inside a portable tabletop fire pit. The flame can be adjusted according to your needs. This small fire pit has a coating imitating wood grain, and you can choose different coatings according to your preference, which will satisfy you. Because of its small size, it can be placed on the table, which is very suitable for daily use and adds some warmth to you in winter. The useful specifications are, for some specification, if you cannot find from the video, please contact our sales via 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 website. 1. Product type, fire column. 2. Exterior material, or powder. 3. Adjustable flame, yes. 4. Country of origin, China. 5. Product shape, round. 6. Included, filler. 7. Output, 10,000 BTU. 8. Material of internal combustion rack, stainless steel. 9. Fits 20 pounds external gas tank not included. 10. Natural gas pipeline yes. 11. Filler accommodated, lava rocks/glass fire beads. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐟𝐢𝐫𝐞 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐿𝐴𝐷𝐿12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.